Is all about data layers, that how you can create a simple data layer, how you can create an e-commerce data layer, how you can create a data layer for form submission if you want to track any kind of details through that form submissions also. So basically this video is all about data layers, how you can create data layers, what is the uses of data layers. So I'll try to make this video as short as possible, but stick to the end, because this video will be very much informative and will help you to learn how you can create data layers. So these are some of the data layers, and I will teach you each and every data layer step by step. So I'll go to some different stuff. Okay, so as we know, when it comes to creating data layers into by adding that into the website, and that will be just shown in the Google Tag Manager if your Google Tag Manager has been configured with your website. Okay. So this is actually the basic data layer that you have. Okay, so first of all, if we will see this, this is actually a function. This is the function for the data layer. This is called as the function. This is a function of a data layer which will eventually push the data layer into the website. Okay, and gather the data and then push it to the GTM in order to send our data to GTM, and through GTM you can send your data to anything like GA4, Google Ads, Facebook, etc. Okay, so this is a function of data layer which is known as windows.dataLayer.push. Okay, so just remember, whenever there is a function, after the function there are round brackets, because this is a kind of step or a basic step which involves writing of data layer. Inside that round brackets you need to write an object. So object should be always in curly brackets. Okay, always maintain the hierarchy. This is the hierarchy. So now after that, after function there will be round brackets. Inside the round brackets there will be object should be in the form of curly bracket, means inside the curly bracket, sorry. So in that you will need to write event, which is I had mentioned here, event name. This is the event name. After this is the basic data layer. Like I will write here event name section. Now to check it, what you can do is you can copy this data layer, you can go to any of the website, you can inspect it, go to console, remove this all, just paste your data layer here. You can see a true mark has appeared that the data layer has been successfully submitted. You can check it by writing data layer, hit enter. Under 13, on the 12th, you can see the data layer has been successfully implemented on the website. It will not work in a way, it is just for the learning purpose, that how you can create, or after creating this data layer, is this data layer working or not. This is the basic of data layer. Okay, then what if you want to create a form submission data layer that will be loaded once the form is submitting? Always remember, when a form is submitting, if there is a thank you message appearing on the web page, you can ask the developer to load a data layer on that particular function, on that particular trigger, that when the form is submitted, after successful form submission, there is a thank you message. Inside the thank you message you need to load this data layer also. So this will eventually appear in GTM. Now what if you want to gather some additional data, that what is the page location for that form on which the submission has been happened. Okay, so along with that, inside this object, what you can pass can be page URL colon. Now what will be the value here? So to get the value, you need to go on the console thing. You need to write window, tab and hit enter. You can open it. Inside this window, you need to find out, for example, location. Okay, here is the location. Inside the location, you can see URL here. So what you need to write here in your value will be window. To going on the further step, you need to put a dot after window, it is location. Inside location, then again dot, it is href. Cross verifying, it's href, it's location inside window. Okay, so we will fire this again in our console. We'll remove all. We'll firing this. You can see true enter. We will type data layer, hit enter. In the same will fired again. In 13th one, you can see we will get the data of page URL, which is the same page that is currently open in our window, like Google Chrome. So this is the basic of how you can create a basic of data layer. Okay, what is the function? This is the function of data layer, which is pushing data. After the function, the round brackets will open. Inside the round brackets, this is the object, like the object will always be in the curly brackets. So this is the basic of data layer. This is the first video. Stay tuned. In the next video, I will help you with how you can create some advanced data layer for e-commerce or any of the thing. And do subscribe my video channel if you like my videos. Thank you.